mixture of FeO and Fe3O4 when heated in air to constant weight against 5% in its weight. Find out composition of the mixture. Means after heating these two mixture, the 5% weight of this product is increased. So what is the composition of this mixture FeO and Fe3O4? So first you react this, give the reaction of these reactions, and after that we will find this mixture. First you write FeO, it is reacting with the oxygen, so it is giving you Fe2O3. Similarly, in the same way, so we have Fe3O4, it is reacting with the oxygen, so it will give you Fe3O4. The Fe3O4 is given, so we will take this later on. First we will take A. So A means what is the molar mass? So if you see here, so balance it, this becomes 2, this becomes your half. So 2 means 2 mole is giving you 1 mole. The 2 mole is how much in terms of gram? It will be your 140 gram. 4 gram is giving you 160 gram. So if you take A grams, it becomes your 160 by 144 into A. Similarly, in this case, if you take it, so this is your Fe3O4, this is Fe2O3. So you balance it, so on balancing, this becomes 2, this becomes your half. So 8 plus 2, 9, and this becomes your, on balancing, this becomes your 3 Fe3. Now this is what is total molar mass. So if you solve it, this becomes, on solving, the molar mass of Fe3O4, 2 moles will be 464 gram for 2 moles. And here for 3 moles, so it will be your Fe2O3 is your 160. So 160 will be given your how much it will be your. So this will be your 3 into 160. If suppose this is B gram, so this will be your 3 into 160 multiplied by B and divided by 464 gram. Now we have one more thing, that is A plus B is equal to 100 gram. Okay, and we know A here and we know B this side. So we can write 160 by 144 A and plus other was 160 divided by 464 into 3B is equal to, now how much weight is increased? So weight was increased by, already we have seen it is 5% weight increase. So 5% weight increase, so this 5% will be, it will be your 105 gram. So now we have two equations, A plus B equal to 100 gram, and this is, so if you solve these two equations, this becomes your simultaneous equation. So on solving this equation, so you will get answer A is equal to 20.25. So this is our percentage, and B will be definitely 100 minus 80.2. So you will get here 79.75 gram. So this is some tedious question, but once you understand the question, you will solve it easily. 2 gram of sample containing sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. It is losing 0.248 gram when you are heating to 300 degrees centigrade. The temperature at which this is decomposed to, this is the temperature in which it is converted into this 3 product. What is the percentage of sodium carbonate in the mixture? So first you have to write the equation, sodium sodium bicarbonate. So this is the sodium bicarbonate. So if you heat it at 300 degrees centigrade, so we are getting 3 product, that is Na2CO3 and plus CO2 plus water. So this 2 product is again came out as a gas that will go out. So these 2 are gases. So you have to balance the equation. So you balance this 2 and it is all balanced. Now in this case, this 2 is out. Okay, so we can write here. So this is the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate is your 2 into 84 gram. And here if you see the carbon dioxide and water, their molar mass, because this is only lost. So this is your 44 gram and this is your 18 gram. So total will be your 62 gram. So definitely this much grams you have taken, so this much is lost. Okay, so if you take here, suppose sodium carbonate is, if you take sodium bicarbonate is our A, and sodium carbonate is your B gram. Sodium carbonate is your B gram. Now this is A, so we can write here. So this much is losing this much gram. This is 84 means this is 64 gram. So if you take this is A gram, so how much you've lost? So 64 divided by 2 into 84 into A. So this much gram is lost. 2 into 84. This is equal to nothing, but already they have given in the questions 0.248 gram. So this is equal to 0.248 gram. Okay. Now in this case, what will happen? So this much is lost. Now you have to solve. So again, if you see here carefully, so A plus B is that is given here. A plus B is, so this is given here 2 gram of sample, already given 2 gram sample, and now we know the value of A. So A is given this much gram. So if you substitute this A value, so over here, okay, so we'll get here, so B is equal to something, you will get 1.328 gram. This is there. So in this way, if you find percentage of Na2CO3 will be, if you solve it, so on solving, so you will get here 1.328 divided by 100 into 2. So if you solve it, this becomes your 66.4%. So this is our answer. A precipitate of AgCl and AgBr weighs 0.406 grams. So weight of is given here. When you heat on heating in a current of chlorine, so the AgBr is fully converted to AgCl. The weight of the whole mixture is lost by 0.0725 in weight. What is the percentage of Cl in the mixture? So we have to assume like AgCl is your A gram and AgBr is your B gram. So weight of A plus B is equal to 0.4066 gram. So what is A? So A is nothing but the AgCl, and what is B? This is nothing but the AgBr. So already is given here. And when you parse this one AgBr plus Cl2, so it is converted fully AgCl. Okay. So that definitely some weight will be reduced. So weight of AgBr is Ag is your 108 gram and Br is your 80 gram. So total mass will be your 188 gram. So 188 gram is giving how much AgCl? AgCl it is Ag 108 and this is 35.5. 108 and this is 35.5. So this is nothing but the 143.5 gram. So when you give 188 gram, the mass of AgBr is fully converted to 143.5 gram. So for we have to find what is total is B. So B is, this is given, and this is from 180 gram, this much is there. So for if you want to take the mass of AgCl, so mass of AgCl will be how much? So it will be your total weight is given this much, and the weight is reduced, that is 0.0725 gram. Okay. So 188 gram is given this much. If you take the B gram, suppose this B gram is already here. Okay. So how much weight of the B gram will be lost? So we can write here, that is 143.5 divided by 188 multiplied by B. So this much is B gram is converted to AgCl. So we can say now total loss is how much? So now we have AgCl is A gram, already given AgCl is A gram, and plus now new AgCl is nothing but the 143.5 divided by 188 into B, and this is total amount of AgCl, that is 0.4066, and if you subtract it 0.0725. So this is lost. Now this is the total mass of AgCl. So now we have A and B equation, and already A plus B is given here 0.46, already we have calculated. So we can see here A plus B is given 0.46, and again we have A plus B is equal to, this is, so A plus B is equal to 0.4066 gram. This is given. Now this is a simultaneous equation. If you solve it on solving, so A is getting your 0.1007 gram, while B will be your how much? It will be subtracting, so on solving you will get here 0.3059 gram. Okay, now question is what is the mass of the Cl in the mixture. This is the question. Question is what is the percentage of Cl in the original mixture. Now we have, this is the weight of a gram Cl already given. So in this Cl, what is the weight of the percentage of Cl? So percentage of Cl we can find out. So we can say percentage of Cl will be 35.5 by 5 gram is the molar mass of the Cl, and this is the total weight is given here in 143.5 gram. So in AgCl, Cl is 35 gram and total is 143 gram, and multiplied by what is the weight of the AgCl, that is 0.1007. This is the total weight of the AgCl, and if you solve it, so Cl will be 0.035, if you solve it, it is 0.025. This is the percentage of Cl. 0.025% means 2.5%. So for in the total mixture, what is the percentage in the total mixture? So we can say percentage of Cl. This percent of Cl in AgCl is here, and percent of Cl in mixture. So mixture is again how much it is, your 0.025 is given in AgCl, and total mixture is 0.4066 and multiplied by 100. So on solving you will get here 6.15%. This is the total percentage of Cl in the mixture.